Today, we're having barbecue pulled chicken sandwiches served with air fried waffle fries. This is gonna be delicious, family. Okay, for this barbecue pulled chicken recipe, all you're gonna need is chicken breasts, preferably chicken thighs. They hold more flavor. Barbecue sauce, salt, and black pepper. I know you guys was looking for a quick recipe, so here's an even quicker recipe. And I know you guys should have some of these ingredients in your arsenal. So without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, at this moment, we're gonna take about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken thighs and we're gonna cut this into strips. If you are using chicken breasts, cut these into cubes. We are going to be boiling these today, family. We are almost done. Just like so. At this time, we're gonna transfer our chicken over to our pot and we're gonna add 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Now, if you are using chicken broth, you can skip this part, family. Yes. At this time, we're gonna add 4 to 6 cups of water. Again, if you are using chicken broth, you can skip the seasoning part, family. Now we're gonna put this on a medium heat and we're gonna cook this for about 20 to 30 minutes until we get this, family. Yes, and this is smelling beautiful. And you want this to be so tender that it just comes off your fork, just like that. Give me a light. At this time, we're gonna drain our chicken and we're gonna transfer it over to our mixing bowl. We're gonna grab our hand mixer and we're gonna pull our chicken. If you don't have a hand mixer, family, you can use a blender or a food processor. If you don't have those, you can use 2 forks to pull it. At least you can cut it, family, until you get this consistency. Okay, now I am going to use my own homemade barbecue sauce. I just released a video on how to make your own homemade barbecue sauce. You can check that out in the description below. However, you can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. Add a little bit of hot sauce to it. We'll bring it to your bee's knees. Now at this time, family, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more honey. And you can do the same. This is your honey barbecue pulled chicken sandwiches. We're gonna go ahead and give this a nice mix. Okay, give me a light. Now we're gonna go ahead and transfer this over to our baking sheet, or to our baking dish, I'm sorry, family. And we're gonna go ahead and spread this out nice and evenly. We're gonna go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're gonna allow this to cook for about 15 to 25 minutes. Until then, quick facts. Where is pulled chicken originating? Pulled chicken and pulled beef is a spinoff of pulled pork. However, pulled pork was originated in the late 1970s, where pulled pork started making its way out west towards Tennessee. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Yes, family. And after 15 to 25 minutes, this is what we're looking like. We're serving our barbecue pulled chicken on top of our brioche bun, non-seeded. And these are potato waffle fries. We will show you a video how to make our own homemade waffle fries. Simple, using a waffle maker. A waffle fry maker, I'm sorry, family. I am gonna go ahead and turn this to the side so you can see how juicy and succulent this looks. Go ahead, family, and eat your eyes out. Look at that. And if you have a hard time digesting beef like Sloppy Joe, this is a beautiful alternative, family. And if you like this video and you found it helpful, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure, peace.